Hey guys! Come hike with me as we explore Mount Kapigpiglatan in Zambales. Join me for another fun adventure. So let's go! Around 10 PM nasa pick-up point na kami sa Cubao at ayan, bumili rin kami ng Yum Burger. By 11 PM nasundo na kami and the rest of the trip natulog na kami. By 3 AM we arrived in San Marcelino para sa aming early breakfast. Ang dami palang hikers dito at ayan, kasama ko rin yung kaibigan ko. By 4 AM nasa jump off na kami, then nagkaroon lang ng quick briefing before the hike. After that, we started our hike. Wala pa rin tigil ang ulan but tuloy pa rin kami. At dahil maulan pa rin, sobrang dulas ng trail. At this point, medyo malakas na ang agos ng tubig sa part na to, so we had to be extra careful habang tumatawid. You know what guys, kahit umuulan that time, sobrang init pa rin. Parang walang masyadong hangin, kaya sobrang pawis namin habang nag-hike. Kaya napatanggal din kami ng mga jacket namin dahil sa init. After passing through the forest trail, dumiretso naman kami dito sa my view deck to take a short break and enjoy the view for a while. Super ganda ng view dito. It's green season right now, so everything looks vibrant and refreshing. And of course, we had to film a TikTok trend here before continuing our hike. After spending some time at the view deck, pinagpatuloy na rin namin ang pag-akit papunta sa may Sami. Mahabang lakaran pala to guys, so better if prepared kayo. Good thing it was cloudy that day, kaya hindi masyadong mainit habang paakyat kami. Open grassland pala ito Mount Kapigpiglatan, so if maaraw ang panahon, expect talaga na mainit sa trail. So better bring an umbrella, wear some protection, and bring enough water. At this point, puro ahon na talaga, so medyo nakapalaban na and dumidilim na rin yung langit. Nagkaroon na ng fog sa part na to, which was actually nice kasi mas lumamig na yung weather. In-enjoy na lang din namin yung time namin habang nasa trail while some of our friends decided to do a trail run. At ayan, si ate mo girl, muntik pang madulas. At this point, tsaka ko lang na-realize kung gaano kahaba yung lakaran dito. After that long hike, finally nasa summit na rin kami. And of course, we took a lots of photos and videos habang nasa summit kami and pinagpatuloy na rin namin mga ginagawa naming trends. By the way, Sunday kami umakyat pero surprisingly hindi siya crowded. Konti lang yung mga hikers dito kaya mas na-enjoy namin yung buong experience at hindi rin kami nagmamadali. One of the best parts, kita rin pala dito ang Kawag Hexa, which is also known as the ultimate hike. So, if naakyat mo na yan, hands down to you guys. After enjoying our time sa summit, it's time para bumaba. Back trail lang din ang ginawa namin pabalik. And yung ibang kasama namin nag-trail run ulit sila pababa. Medyo dito lang talaga ako nahirapan kasi pababa na tapos ang dulas ng mga bato. Kaya we had to be extra careful sa bawat step dahil ayaw nating maging kwento. Ang ganda ng spot na to for pictures, para kang isang ibon. Charot lang. Ayan, panindigan na rin natin yung pagiging isang ibon dyan sa below. Malayo pa kami sa may jump off pero ramdam ko na yung pagod sa mga paa ko pero laban lang, carry ya. Actually guys, the day before this hike, nag-fun